Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is the Panasonic washing machine. Customer has called me. She's using this washing machine since 13 years. So let's see actually what is the problem now. She cannot wash and cannot spin. So she's unable to use it. So let's see what is the problem. If I turn it on, yeah, it's only making noisy only, but pull starter or drum is not moving. So this problem is cannot wash and cannot spin. Both of us not working. So this machine I'll lay down, then see what's wrong. So after I lay down the washing machine, see what is the problem actually. When I have checked, then the viewers I found, see this belt has broken. If this belt broken, so cannot use. It will not wash and then it will not spin because drum it will not spin. So this is the only reason, because of the belt has broken. So I have to change the belt. So this is the new belt. So I have to fix it. So dear viewers, this belt I'll fix and then we will be back. So dear viewers, I have fixed the belt. Actually by one hand it's very difficult, that's why I have to use my both of hand. So finally we test it, and I told her, the owner, your washing machine has been okay, and she's very happy. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, it was very small problem. This is the common problem of the washing machine. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.